Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn off in-app sound on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, tap on profile. Okay, then click on menus option, then scroll down, then click on setting and privacy. Okay, then tap on settings. Okay, then scroll down, then tap on media option, then click, then in-app sound option is enabled, just click, then sound option is off. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.